teammate on the Pramac team, although each of those two riders I know each is sponsored. It is the Energy TI Pramac Racing entry, and for Ben Speed's Ignite is sponsored.
And of course, first time on one of these big prototype machines, a big learning curve for him. Evolution. They've already made some changes. I'm sure they've made things better. There's what's bring what you like chassis, bring what you like swing arm, wheels, and then put in an engine that anybody can buy that's competing here this weekend for $25,000 to $30,000. So what that means is that you cannot spend a bucket load of money on your engine. Basically to try and see what the feel like on the race conditions. There's Alex Briggs, a long-time mechanic of Valentino Rossi there. The team is smiling a lot more this year than last year, let's say.
Session at 2:05:67, and that is his quickest lap over the weekend. He's already demonstrated a couple of laps quicker in this session than he has gone all weekend long. So at 2:06.1, Rossi has made an improvement, and maybe that's why some of those guys, including Briggs, were smiling Thursday night. Here at Circuit of the Americas, with all their fire retardant sprinkler system and with the alert system that they had, when the sprinklers went off, the fire department was alerted, the fire crews on hand were alerted, and the damage was water damage. It was more water damage than fire damage. Yes, the crew had a tough day on Friday. They had a lot of equipment to dry out, but had it happened anywhere else, Jarvis says we made out of the race.